Alright people, what's up? It's 2022. It's time to clean up our act. I'm going to show you how. Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Hey, do me a favor, like this video, and if you like it, subscribe so you see more of these videos, and you're gonna know when we drop more of these videos if you turn on that notification bell. Well, I wasn't kidding. It's time to clean up our lives, and a really great way to do that is with the Redroad Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. That's right. It is 26.5K Pascal unit. What are Pascal units? That is the way you measure suction power. Let me say that one more time. That is the way you measure suction power. I just got a little caught up there. It was exciting because that's a lot of PA. Anyway, moving on. What we got here is a lightweight vacuum that has a ton of suction power. That's great for cleaning up your everyday messes in your house, your apartment, your office. It can pick up pet hair, dust, and dander, and just stuff that gets in the way and can kind of clog up your nose. Very useful for a variety of different cleaning needs. That's right, 26,500 PA, that's Pascal units. That is quite a bit of suction power. It is a V17 suction rate. It is 155 AW, that is the maximum suction power. 450 watts packed into this lightweight, ergonomically designed vacuum. We have a unique combination of double roller brushes, and that is going to actually pick up a lot more than your standard vacuum. The vacuum is equipped with 2 floor brushes and 1 carpet brush. They can be used in combination, and they adapt to all kinds of surfaces that you find in your common household environments. It operates at a low noise, and it also operates with high filtration. That's right, you're going to get dual HEPA filters, so you're going to get out with the 5-level filtration system 99.97% of dust and airborne particles. That'll help you breathe easy. And while it's doing all that great work, your noise level is going to be about 60 decibels and probably a bit lower than that too. You get a long battery life, and that's up to 50 minutes common usage, and the battery pack actually snaps out, so if need be, you can put on another one, but this one I've noticed from the testing we've done this week lasts more than long enough for most cleaning jobs, and the charging is super fast. All you have to do is connect it to its wall mount, and the charging plug is right there. It just connects automatically. You don't have to worry about losing charging cords or anything like that. That's definitely never happened to me. Anyway, I found the whole experience to be straightforward, easy to use. The charging is fast, works great. And the vacuum suction power, those Pascal units, very highly rated. That is a very strong motor. It's very lightweight. It is durable. It gets the job done. What more can I say? What I also really like with the Redroad Cordless Vacuum is that it comes with a lot of different accessories. Let me see. We have different brush heads. There's the floor carpet brush, the anti-allergy brush, which I particularly love. It is spring where I am right now, and oh boy, we're feeling it. There's a gaff brush, there's a soft brush. You can just use those as needed for different cleaning purposes, and again, it all works great. Press, take off, snap back on, easy to use, and not a bad price. A lot of these vacuums go for nearly $1,000, several hundred at the very least. Click on that link in the description below and you'll see that you'll be able to get the Redroad Cordless Vacuum for only $319.99. And with Prime, there could be some additional discounts on top of that, so check it out. Pick one up for yourself. Give one to a loved one who needs to clean house, as we all do in this day and age. Oh, hey everybody, look what I got. Yeah, it's a vacuum. You weren't expecting that, were you? Let's talk about some of its features and functions, because that's fun to do. All right, first and foremost, right here on the very top where you have your LCD display, there is a function button. When I press that, you actually see that the vacuum is 100% charged because I've been charging it. Let's do that one more time. You can also go through your different modes using this button right here. Like Eco mode, for example, medium mode, or turbo mode, the best mode of all. All right, I'm gonna go off of the instructions here because there is a lot going on with this vacuum. The next thing I want to point out is the battery pack that I've already attached to it. These batteries you can get more of, but this one battery should supply, as I already mentioned, all the cleaning time that you need. There we got that right there too. The charging port for the vacuum is right up top by the battery. There it is right there, you can see it. And your on and off switch is right over here. I'm not going to turn it on just yet because you won't be able to hear me, but you can see there it is. Long press actually just turns it on. If you want to just use it momentarily, short press, start vacuuming. When you let go, it turns off. What else do we have here? Oh, your connecting rod, which is important. You can take this out and actually replace it with a lot of different things that are custom made to clean furniture, clean pet hair, and will bend to fit hard to reach places, which is really important because those hard to reach places can get very dusty. Let's look at the bottom here too. You have two rollers, and these are interchangeable. You can actually take these out and clean them as well. You have one that just sweeps up everything and one that scoops up. Both work in tandem, so you have that going on also. Easy to it, right? Your Redroad V17 comes with a lot of accessories, as you can see here, and we're going to talk about those very briefly. Also, hey look, there's my screw. That's helpful, right? First and foremost, if you want, and you have the room for it, this is your vacuum wall mount. You actually screw this into place, and your vacuum will actually fit right on this to keep it safe and out of the way. As I mentioned, we have various tools. This is a soft brush. This is a 2-in-1 brush. This is an extension hose, so you can put this on top of the main vacuum and actually get it to bend in all sorts of directions as needed. This is an adjustable hose. Look at that. You can actually lock it into place to change your angle of cleaning, which is also very, very useful. This is a floor brush, and this is used for furniture to reach hard places that require very specific suction power, cracks and crevices and whatnot. We're going to do the short press to start the vacuum, and then I'm going to change modes using the multi-function button on top. Here we go. So this is Eco mode. This is the most cost-effective mode, and look at that. Even in Eco mode, it cleans everything right up. This is medium mode. Let's give this a whirl. Flawless operation. Let's actually go all the way up to turbo mode. Let's clean other parts of the kitchen that are not clean. So it's literally picking up everything. We actually had people over for dinner last night, and there were coffee grounds from the end of the night and various spices and bits of food. Even in Eco mode, the suction power is so strong, the Pascal unit count is so high, I just needed to use that. But you have medium mode and turbo mode on top of that too. And you can see everything it picked up. And it all goes into this super easy to empty chamber. And emptying of the chamber after you've done some cleaning is very easy to do. Press the button, it opens up, everything dumps out. You can clean it periodically if you need to, as you can the entire vacuum. Snap it back into place, and you're good to go. Alright, let's check out some cool features this vacuum has. So we already know that it has a lot of flexibility here with the original handle, but what I've done is I've added the elbow attachment. Oh, look at that. And now I can clean underneath my chair. What if you have pets, or you just are worried in general about dust mites and things that you don't want, especially where you sleep? Well, we can handle that too. With this pet hair and dust mite attachment. Alright, I think that just about wraps up this video. I would like to thank Redroad for sending us the vacuum. It was a lot of fun to test out, and I actually cleaned my house. Hey, what do you know? Once again, click on that link in the description below. Base price $319.99. That's a really great price for so much tech packed into such a lightweight, portable, well-designed, and powerful vacuum body with all those accessories. Good stuff. That wraps it up for this video. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin, once again reminding you, if you like these videos, give us a like and subscribe, and when you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. In the meantime, stay kind, be safe, and I'll see you next time.